Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our final project test, especially for English lessons. I'll ask you several questions related to yourself and also IDN. We go to the first questions. Could you mind to tell me about yourself?
Okay, my name is Fatan Alvareza Ridwan. Maybe you can call me Fatan. Uh, I was born on 14 December 2008 in Jakarta, but I live in Depok. And 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 I 14 years old. Okay, maybe I just tell about my strength and weakness. My strength is I can use a left hand. Maybe many people in maybe in this world or Indonesia cannot use left hand. Maybe only I search in internet. Maybe only 15 or until 30 30% people can use left hand. And the benefit if you can use left hand, maybe when you play badminton, because you can analysis the enemy use right hand. Why can analysis use right hand? Because in this world or in yes in this world, so many people can use right hand, but the enemy cannot analysis people use left hand because he never play with maybe people use left hand. And my weakness maybe like yes, the reverse I cannot use right hand. Maybe a little bit can only for it, maybe like it and something like that. And I cannot right use right hand and I cannot play badminton use right hand and something like that. uh, I I usually use my left hand. And my weakness is I maybe I a little bit what I don't want to eat many, and because that my body is thin like that. uh, yes.
Okay, we go to the second questions. How was your IT skill before coming to IDN?
uh, Before I go to EDN, maybe I have a little bit IT skill, autodidact when IDN, because before in IDN, because junior when I SD in when I SD I have a laptop from my dad, and I use only maybe only for YouTube uh, searching. I can make a Google account. I can maybe a little bit can make a poster, but oh yeah, and I can PowerPoint. I can use PowerPoint, make Microsoft Word, and I can like searching how to like a cracking application. I can and something like that. And when I go to in IDN, I not uh, I already have a little bit IT skill. When I not hard to learning about IT in here.
Okay, we go to the next questions. How is the progress of your ability during learning at IDN? IT English Linya and TAFIF.
Yes, when I get a lot of knowledge, like IT. When I 7th grade, I make maybe a game scratch. Yes, you know scratch. The first game is catching fruit. Yes, I make the first my target is catching fruit. The catching when I making a catching fruit, maybe the first time maybe it's hard, but when I make a like game Alien Invader, uh, Block Breaker, and Fruit Ninja, maybe not hard because uh, I learning, maybe I learning in module and from the teacher. I learning a scratch with Mr. Jun and Mr. Aap, and because Mr. Aap and Mr. Jun, I can making a game like Fruit Ninja, like Tank, and I can make game with myself and like that. And when I in 8th grade, I not learning about game again, but I learning about IoT. When in 8th grade, I teaching I get teach by Pak Andre. The first project is microbit. The first time when I learn about the microbit, so hard because like you use block code and you must pairing with your laptop to microbit. The first time I cannot, so hard. And when the second project maybe easier. uh, a- and and after that, uh, I teach by Pak Fauzi, like IT project like Trustbean and other. And in 8th grade, I make a multimedia too, like making a simple poster and simple illustration, and making like animation in hit film. I can making animation in film, hit film, only just maybe only the hand, you can go to right and left, just like that. And when I in ninth grade, I making modular apps like name card, find main age, uh, maybe 5 project: name card, find my age, and calculator and other. And the last project, maybe the last IT lesson in 9th grade, maybe is Android Studio. In Android Studio, I make a Bitaqua app, but not finished on the half. And in Bitaqua, it's so hard. Why I can say so hard? Because when I 8th grade use like what microbit, it's only block code. But in 9th grade in Android Studio, you not use block code again. You uh, type yours use with keyboard and not use block code again, and make so hard. And the for Dinya project, I get a lot of knowledge, like before I go to IDN. I don't know how to, maybe how to like solat, and how what before and salaf. Before I go to IDN, I not salaf, and when I come to IDN, uh, I increase my Diniyah lesson. And for English, maybe there is a proof my vocabulary, but maybe only a little bit, because maybe I so hard to learn English. And maybe for 9th grade this, I can upgrade my English skill, because there is you must speak English Monday until Friday 100%. And for the toughest, for the toughest is before I come to IDN, I not have a lot surah. When I comes to the end, I my what memorizing is increased. Like I have maybe 2 juz, 30 juz and 29 juz.
Okay, let's go to the next questions. What kind of game have you created?
A game, for game I have created, maybe when I 7th grade, I make a egg game. There is catching fruit. You must catch the fruit like apple and other. And the second is alien invader. You must shoot the alien with your gun. And the third is block breaker. Block breaker is game like retro game. You must like the ball, you must catch the the ball, you must touch the wall. And and if you done to touch, you win. And the fourth is Fruit Ninja. For the Fruit Ninja is the game is use camera. You just catch the fruit with your hand. And if you win, you will get point like that. And maybe I forgot the three games again. Maybe the last project is bomb. The game bomb, you must you you just catch the like animal. If you can catch all, you will get point and you can win. And the last the last game I make is in Wheelbox when I in 7th grade in semester 2. The first maybe I make like the wall the ball. You must when you click, the ball will go to right uh, and go to left, and you must finish the game. And like Dino Google, the 2D game I make is Dino Google. Same like Google Dino Google in Chrome, but the difference is you can win if your point maybe 20, you can win. And like that.
Okay, last questions. Any word for IDN?
uh, any word for IDN? Maybe I just say thank you for IDN. Yeah, I want to teach me when I 7th grade until 9th grade. I get a lot of knowledge and IDN, like my IT skill. I can making game. I can improve my adapt. I can make a website, and I can a uh, good adapt like that. And I can speak maybe a little bit speak English, and maybe like that.
Okay, well, thank you, Fatan, for the last final project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to Fatan IDN. This is my second part in last project, in my last project. In this occasion, I want to presentation to you about the strange rules is in North Korea. Why I want to review this country? Because this country have many unique facts like the rules and a food and many again like a military and others. But in this occasion, I want to tell you about the unique fact North Korea and unique fact North Korea and the rules in North Korea. Okay. Okay, the first is the fact North Korea. North Korea have the biggest stadium in the world. Maybe you all know the stadium. This is the North Korea stadium. He can city 100,000 people until 150,000. Okay. We next. The first rule in the North Korea, the hairstyle. North Korea has only approved hairstyle. they can choose from. You your hairstyle is choose by the governor. You cannot choose with your ourselves. You must like inside maybe you must 5 cm and your what up is 10 if boy. But if the girl, if you done to married, you must cut short. If you're not married, you can long or you can short. But so many people in North Korea, the style is like this. Like what? There is a middle style maybe. I don't know. And like I search in internet, like comb hair, so many in North Korea, and many again. Okay, we next to the next rule. The next rule is there is no McDonald. Why there is no McDonald? Because in McDonald is not from North Korea. In outside country, another country, not McDonald. Why North Korea not? There is no McDonald. Because this is like I said, there's another country and only food from North Korea. If you want to buy, only there is no another food from another country. You can buy North Korea food. Many in like from governor, so many the food. And okay, we next. And third, fourth, this limited internet access. In North Korea, you cannot. Your internet is controlled by governor. Because the internet controlled by governor, you cannot like watching YouTube. You cannot watch film like South Korea. You cannot. If you watch South Korea, you will be get criminal. You will be trained by the governor, and you only can like study learning in internet, and the learning is from North Korea, not from the other country. And for the cellular data, you only get 3G. Maybe you all know 3G. You only can SMS from for North Korea, and you can only tell. You cannot like you cannot open YouTube. You cannot open social media and other. And the limited internet access this, you only can play the video, the governor video from the governor video for like news, North Korean news, and film from North Korea, and other many film from North Korea. Okay, the next. And the 5 is TV broadcast are controlled by the government. Yes, maybe you know in Indonesia TV broadcast many guys like Antv and other. But North Korea, you only can play the broadcast from governor. I say you only can use for North Korea. There is no channel from other. In Indonesia, many guys from other country like Upin Ipin and many. But in North Korea, you only play from governor news and from the president like that and other. And if you if you play the TV, you must permission to the governor first if you want to play this TV. Okay, we next. And the last is rule 6, no random photo allowed. in North Korea, you cannot random photo. Because why cannot? Because in North Korea so many like private photo. You must permission to governor. Like maybe if you want to photo, you only can photo the Kim Jong Un photo and the father and the mother, the statue. You can photo. But if you want to photo the like governor or people or the store, a place in North Korea, you must permission to governor first. If you not permission, you will get a criminal. The punishment is 3 generation. You get trapped like lifetime. You cannot go back again. Your children and your children have no children again. Like that. Okay. Okay, maybe that's all from me. If I have some mistakes, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to Fadan PDN. This is my last English project. The last part that that is my favorite project. In this occasion, I want a presentation to you about my favorite project. Okay, the first project is catching fruit. Why I choose catching fruit in the first? Because catching fruit is easy to make, and this is my first project when I 7th grade. From this project, I get so many lot of knowledge because this project I can make a game and I can code with a simple code in Scratch, and this project also easy to play too. You just only catch the apple until 10 point. Until if you done to earn 10 point, you will win. And if you catch the bomb or X like this, you will be lose, and you will be repeat again to the first. Okay. The next project is short movie. To be better. Why I like this project? Because this project I make not alone. I with my friends Abil, Moko, Fikar, dan Farikur. This is my English project when I grade in semester 1. I forget semester 1 or semester 2. And also why I like this project, because I get easy actor. Abil and Moko is a bad guy, and Fikar and Farikur is good people, and I get so many lesson in this project. You must to be a good people, and you must realize about yourself. You must upgrade you must have adapt. Okay, we next to the next project, and the next project is making a personal website with WordPress. I like this project because this project is easy. I learned this project when I 7th grade with Raab. Maybe you know about Miss Raab. This is a website, my website portfolio. There is a project. There is my IT project, Dinia project, English project, and there is my video, like my video demo, my video tutorial, my short movie, and my video dakwah. Many, and my achievement. There is my achievement there is my gallery, there is my photo when I 7th grade until 9th grade, and there is contact about like my WhatsApp and my social media, and there is a portfolio, my portfolio, and I use on my blog is easy to make because that this is my favorite project. Next to the next project, the next project is disaster alarm. Why I like disaster alarm? Because there is a 3-in-1 project. The first is water rifle, and the second is earthquake detection, and the third is sensor M-key. Sensor M-key is detection of fire. If there is a fire, he will be like the sensor will be give the notification in your laptop. And water rifle just sensor for the water, and earthquake is detection if there is a bounce. If you bounce, he will give the notification. And also why I like this project, because there is my friends Danis, maybe you know. Yes, this is my friend when I 7th grade until 8th grade, but he leave the IDN. The name is Danis. Okay, we next to the my next project. The next project is Talk Live Podcast. Why I like this project? Because this project I make not only 2 people, I 3 people with Guntur, Albi, and me. I make this project in Saung, yes. And also why I like this project, because there is like ads, you know. There is ads, it's easy to make. You just record and you just explain about the product, and also why I like this project, because I just to be a host with Albi, and the speaker is Guntur, and this project I editor for this project. I get so many knowledge. I can editing a video, give animations, make intro, and many games. Okay, we next to the next project. The next project is robot line follower. Why I like this project? Because this very easy robotic, the very easy microbit. Because the block code is only short, and there is a robot in here. You just follow the black line, and only and he will get a notification in your laptop from this microbit. And this project I make when Pak Andre teach in A grade. Okay, we next to the next project. The next project is Profile Den. Why I like this project? Because I make this project not alone. I make this with Guntur, Abil, Moko, yes, and me. And this is my favorite project, because you just explain IDN area IDN, building hall, and the new building. This is a multimedia project. I get this project from Pagilang, and okay, and I make this project when I grade. Okay, we next to next project. The last project I make calculator zakat. Why I like this project? because this is my first time use Android Studio platform, and I get so many a lot of knowledge because this project, like I can code with keyboard, and I can typing, easy typing, and you can practice your focus for make this project. If you not focus, you will be, maybe this application will be error. And not only calculator zakat, like there is dashboard, Islamic dashboard, and doa, same too. I like this project because using Android Studio and making application, not use block code again. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. If I have some mistake, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.